In the name of Allah, dear students, I am Ajaz Sultan, teacher PSC Gamal Sarmar. Subject English class 5th primary, topic The Cat's Paradise. Dear students, हमने इस लेसन का 2 पैरा पढ़े हैं। अब हम इसके बाकी पैरा पढ़ने जा रहे हैं। Students, first I will read. You listen carefully. Luce was soon following Tom and his gang as they trotted through the streets. Like them, he drank water from gutters and it tasted sweeter than cream. Everything seemed beautiful when a female cat passed by. Luce gasped with admiration. "Good day," Luce said to the female, but the others bit his neck and shoved him out of the way. "Never mind her," Tom said. "You will meet lots of lovely females out in this world." They continued walking beneath the warm springtime sun, enjoying the sights and the smell. They languidly made their way back to the rooftop where they did met. Luce was starting to feel hungry. "What do you eat up on these roofs?" he asked Tom. "Whatever we find," Tom replied. Luce was embarrassed. He had never hunted for food. He began to look around, but he could not find a thing and feared he might starve. Suddenly he saw a man preparing a meal through a window. On the man's table just above the window whistle lay a juicy flesh chop. Without thinking, Luce jumped through the window and on the table. He snatched the chop, but before he could get out the window, the man saw him and reached for a broom. He smacked Luce so hard, and the chop dropped from his mouth. Luce just managed to escape before the broom came down again. Tom was standing just outside the window, shaking his head. "Food on tables is not for us," he said. "We eat from the gutters and alleys. We will wait until dawn and find our food in the garbage heaps." Luce was horrified. "Wait all night." Tom calmly nodded his head. "You will learn," he said sagely. पत्मि लटि पोड़ अस कि यस अख बर्ड यस मे चीरीस एम जन स गर रचमत यह तज अमस तो समख्या नबर बाकियन ब्राड़न अमस ब्याक ब्रोड समख्या अमस नाव टॉम दपा अम लग पकने. Luce was soon following Tom. यह लोग अमस लुइस ब्रोड यह अमस टॉमस पत पकान. And his gang as they trotted through the streets. अम हसा वन गैंग अम हसा गई कठेर पकुन गई अम रवान गलियन कुन. Like them, he drank water from gutters and it tasted sweeter than cream. दपा अम हसा चे त्रेश यम gutters यानी यम अत नालि यमो मज यह आब ओस वसान रोद आब वगैरह आब अत चेक यमो त्रेश अमिस हसा बसा यह क्रीम खत ते स्वीटर यानी बड़ मजा आय अमिस चेनस एवरीथिंग सीम ब्यूटीफुल अमिस लोग सोरे कि युस यह चीज यह वुचान यह बसा अमिस खूबसूरत क्या ओताम अंदर आसान बंद मगर बसा अमिस सोरे कि खूबसूरत Everything seems beautiful when a female cat passed by Luce gasped with admiration. Yel hasa em ak female cat wuch yani os pan male yasa go yasa log hampni hu gasped matlab go with admiration yani yasa log em sun tarif karne em female cat good day Luce said to the female, but the others bite his neck. Daba yusi baki ke tamo korak ne emerson parwa ke tam lag shudi pakni ilaja on tarif karni ilaja amon wani mo to tarif karni magar ham dra shudi baki showed amo hokmis wat kokun chatan kon pakan never mind her Tom said you will meet daba yusi mis Tom was sure the muslim bar akon gam ki you will meet lots of lovely females out in this world. Sasa chukuynas never sasa wuchukui varia pan tambrad female yem te dunya sam varia wucha. They continued walking beneath the warm springtime sun. Daba amasas bar aram san paka im aftab still you see springtime was you see asal mosam aftab was almost aram san im tel paka enjoy the sights and the smell almost enjoy kara. Must enjoy sights and smell. They languidly made their way back to the rooftop where they met. The Amos bad months Arabs and sister of San Pakan Kokon, yet some chemotherapy and roof and body Kasam behind Chatan. They continue walking beneath the warm springtime sun, enjoying sights and the smell. Luce was starting to feel hungry. The way you see Luce was, ems hasa lajwan thoda, ems hasa lajwan asta kya lagni? Bach lagni. You look pan bath me hasa laj bach. What do you eat up on these roofs? Each one of them was Tom and search. Tu kya chuchwa yaman chatan ped. What do we eat? Tu kya chuchwa agar tu chatan ped bhi atek you. He asked Tom, what where we find Tom? Tom was odd. What where we find? Tom replied, it's sticky. Yes, I like one. Luce was embarrassed. He had never hunted for food. Well, Luce has was embarrassed. Yes, was panis pan for you. Shermandu. Get emotional shakar pani at you. Get emotional mazam. This is not kana chiri. You so sim thawa breaking. You so kama. So sim sofas per thawa atiwad na bawlimans guard te jiti yasamos. He began to look around, but he could not find a thing and feared they might strive. The Bayasa look all your wishing, Magari. Emus has a chin, Kihi Basa, Emus Bush Satan. And it's Musloj, Em Suj Marma, Agar me Muslo Punishment for Kov Gatni, Pierre means go, Pierre means go, Pierre go, Kov Zada. He might strive, Em Suj Mar Basit. Then suddenly he saw a man preparing a meal through a window. Achan Emson never. Ik is napros pet. Yes, was banawa meal. Yes, was banawa. Panon kyun. Emos banom table pet. On the man's table, just above the windows whistle, lay a juicy flesh cup. I just watch him a mass full chitted. But John, without thinking, Luce jumped through the window. No Luce has enough soch na ke dur sala and throw jump darkin under and on the table on table spread he snatched the chop. You see small to set it was in the top. But before he could get out the window, the man saw him and reached for a broom. Ba we osim sa thap karnai window ichim at site lagon ba nafran wuch em kar jaldi kam to on lasan. He smacked Luce so hard and had chopped dropped from his mouth. But em throw him just zor the toss ems bride Luce's ke ems pure your maz police usmus was I think chop numutos you ems wist Luce just managed to escape before the broom came down again. But ems jaldi pan log manage karne churi escape koran تِکیٛازِ أمۍ سوٗنٛچ ترٛایہِ مےٚ وۄنۍ ٹاس زورَس یعنی Tom was standing just outside the window but Tom اوس نیٚبٕرۍ کِنۍ بِہِتھ أمۍ کیٛاہ ووٚنُس shaking his head پَنُن کَلہٕ چھِ گِلاوان food on tables is not for us دوٚپنَس یُس غذا ٹیبلَن پٮ۪ٹھ چھِ آسان یہِ چھُنہٕ اَسہِ خٲطرٕ we eat from the guitars and alleys اَسہِ ہَسا چھِ پٮ۪وان یِمَن گِٹارَن منٛز کھیوٚن اَسہِ ہَسا چھِ پٮ۪وان اَلیز منٛز اَسہِ چھِ گٔلیَن منٛز یِمَن گاربیجَن منٛز آسہِ ڈَسٹبِنَن منٛز آسہِ سُے غذا چھُ سون ہُہ چھُنہٕ سون we will wait until dawn and find our food in the garbage heaps تَوَے أمۍ دوٚپنَس اَسہِ چھِ پٮ۪وان توٚتامَتھ ویٹ کَرُن اَسہِ چھِ پٮ۪وان توٚتامَتھ پرٛارُن یوٚتامَتھ أسۍ گاربیج ہِٹَس منٛز وٕچھو کہِ تَتہِ کیٛاہ کیٛاہ آسان چھِ لاسٹ پٮ۪ٹھ یِمو ترٛوومُت ژھوٚٹ سُہ چھُ اَسہِ پٮ۪وان کھیوٚن thanks so much